good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Please introduce yourself.
I am Alok Tibrewala, Chairman for Plast India 26.
What are the current trends in the exhibition industry and how do you see its future evolving?
It's with time that people have actually realized the strength of an exhibition and the industry itself. An industry which was very, very unorganized in terms of exhibition organizers has suddenly found a lot of excitement and enthusiasm from investors. And a lot of organized people, educated minds are now investing their time and money into the business of exhibitions. Because probably you can equate it as any big industry in India now. So to showcase strength of India or industry and to have all of value chain from the finished goods to the raw material, it is necessary that we have exhibitions. So what I see, the way India is growing, like you are at 3.9 trillion, you're talking about 5 trillion, 6 trillion, you're talking about 10 trillion economy by 2035. So these 12 years are going to be very, very critical. While we'll have a lot of opportunities in this exhibition industry, and you will see much bigger shows than what India has seen over last 3 decades. So next decade, it is going to be an exponential growth in the business exhibition industry. And you will see mega shows. I only hope that we get enough venues to support the demand.
Which sectors in India are emerging as the next big opportunities for exhibitions?
For me, if you ask me, housing, plastics, healthcare, service industry, and infrastructure. Other than this, as you have a exponential increase in population, food, textiles, these will also grow. So these are major sectors you will see exponential growth.
And how do you see IIA's role in shaping and supporting the growth of the industry?
So the best part of this organization is they could bring together everybody who was lost somewhere. They all scattered. So it has given a very organized shape to the and a lot of pride and recognition also to all these small vendors who are now dreaming to become bigger with the exhibition industry going big. So I think it has given that culture, that professionalism, that way to present their strength to their members. And for the exhibition organizer, it becomes very simple. You have a database, you know whom to talk, what to talk, you know from where to get credentials. So IEA is giving a lot of credibility to its own members, as well as it is becoming more or less the main platform to be there to hold exhibitions. It is that holding hand now. So I think I don't have enough words, but the way they have scaled themselves and shaped themselves in these 10-12 years is commendable.
Thank you so much.